More poachers.
Go. Pocket Barman rifle, 22 caliber. Go. Oh! Getting shot. Oh, that sounded good.
Yeah.
What was that?
Example. There's him with his revolver, I guess.
That's cool as shit.
Might be the Navy revolver, mightn't it? That's quite a
Oh, yeah.
punchy revolver.
Yeah.
And you get it free. Mountain Man. Oh, there's a thing here, mate. A clue. There's a blues clue. Somewhere.
Okay. Got it.
Man, I've lost the legendary out. Follow the trail and find the
There it is. Legendary fucking elk. Oh, look at this blizzard, man.
Yeah, this is cool.
What the hell? You don't get this online. We've never had a blizzard ever.
No, no, maybe you do if you come this far up. You've never been this far up before. Yeah, we've never been this far up. We never spend the time in the snow to do that. Could be the same as rain. We're getting covered in snow as well. It's so cool. You get covered in snow.
Yeah.
You get only on your front as well.
What?
Have a clue.
No, it's not the one. See the tracks.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, maybe just go in front of them.
Alright, he's doing a good job.
Start on the left.
Further to go, yeah.
This is really cool.
This is awesome. He's having the time of his life right now.
He's going to be reconsidering not getting the animal roll. The music. Really bassy. You hear that?
Yeah, I heard something. We lost the track. Nope, it's that. Here we go. There he is. Makes me fucking cringe when we find them.
It's right there.
Ready?
There's nothing I can do, so it's all down to you.
You gotta chase it.
Oh, right, okay.
Ready?